back to another Crafty Hadley video. Today we're going to learn how to make a cat toy just like this one. So what you're going to need for this project is you're going to need a popsicle stick, a feather, whatever color, 2 pom-poms. It doesn't really matter what color they are. So, and then lastly, you're going to need whatever color pipe cleaner you can use whatever color pipe cleaner you want. So let's get started. So you're going to take your popsicle stick right here, and then you're going to wrap your pipe cleaner right around it just like this. And then once you wrapped it around, you want to push it through the hole and pull it through. So then it's connected to the popsicle stick. After you've done that, you're gonna You're gonna want your feather. You're gonna glue your feather at the bottom, just like this. Just put a little bit of glue at the bottom of your feather. Then you're gonna attach it to the middle of the pipe cleaner, just like this. And you might want to wrap it around just to make sure it stays. Just like this. Okay. Now you're going to want your 2 pom-poms. I'm going to use red and pink. I'm going to connect them now with the glue to the bottom of the pipe cleaner. Just as some glue, I'm just going to wrap it around, and then I'm going to take more glue and put it on the other pom-pom, and then just attach it to the end of the pom-pom. The other pom-pom, just like this. So that's how you make a cat toy. Well, bye. Please subscribe.